Welcome to my channel Kinderpur. Young explorers, let's see the journey through the seasons. So, put on your adventure hats and explore. Spring. In spring, flowers bloom, birds sing, and butterflies dance. Summer. Summer brings outdoor fun with water play and ice cream treats. Autumn. In autumn, leaves change their colors and fall gently to the ground. Nature paints the world with vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow. Children jump and laugh in piles of crunchy leaves. Winter. Winter arrives, and a white blanket of snow covers the land. It's a season of cold and cozy wonders. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.